concepts in blockchain, hash, and challenge. So, today I'm going to make you understand this with the help of programming and PPT. So, first, let's go in PPT. So, hash and challenge a working demo. So today I will make you understand a basic example of how hash and challenge works in blockchain. So obviously my program will be not that much complicated and will not have all the flavors of blockchain such as peer-to-peer network, but I have tried my best and I have tried simulating this with client server technology considering everyone as a node, and I'm running my nodes are running independently into multiple Docker containers. I have used the web nodes for node as a challenger and others as miners. So a demo. So my demo has three components: API, console application, Docker containers. So my API is working as a challenger, my console application is working as a solver, and my Docker containers are working as an instance of the solver. And so when API gives a challenge of a hash of any random number between 1 to 10,100,000. So my console application starts solving it, and I have made Docker containers running. I have made multiple Docker containers in this with the help of the same console application. So API. So what is API? Application Program Interface. When running on HTTP becomes Web API as it runs on internet. So let's take an easy example. Just when you go in a restaurant, you order some food, right? So first you go to the waiter, means the waiter comes to you and you give your request that I want a Hakka noodles. So it takes your request to the kitchen and the brings the response as Hakka noodles to you. So the program which takes your request to the server and bring the response from the server to you is known as API. And in this example, waiter is the API. So web API. So whenever you search a website on the browser, you see something green, blue, and white link coming at the side of it. It is decorated by HTML. But when you ask API, it will just return some raw text with a meaning that a programmer can only decode. So get me a JSON. So just in an easy language, when as I told you that the waiter takes your request to the kitchen and brings the response to you is known as API. So when the waiter brings the response, the plating done by the waiter of the Hakka noodles, like the Hakka noodles is brought in a bowl with a spoon and a fork. The plating and the formatting of the response is known as JSON. So what my API gives? My API gives the hash of any random number between 1 to 10,100,000. So my API is stateful. My API just stores the same challenge for a period of time so that everyone gets the same challenge. So what does my Nziblock do? So when I host my API, or when I was hosting my API in Docker containers, I was having some issues with the local host. So I thought that it is easy to tunnel it with public URL. So I tunneled it with public URL with the help of Nziblock. What does my solver do? So my solver containerize them. So my solver container. So my Docker. I have made lots of Dockers with the same console application, which is solving all the challenges. So I have made lots of nodes on the same computer. So let's have a demo and let's get started. So let's go to Visual Studio. 4:30 p.m., then they all will start mining at 4:41. So let's check the time first. So the time is 4:57:28, 30 seconds. So let's start this. Start all the miners. Okay, still mining. Oh. Because all of them are taking random numbers, so it is not possible that all of them mine at the same time. So miner has also oh, it has taken 25 seconds and it has taken 34 seconds. So the winner is miner 3, and as how they have all all have made the all have find the hash at different time, but however they all started at the same time because I have synchronized all of them to start at same time. So I have also posted my code on GitHub. So let's I will tell you. So my link is AkshuTech. This is my link on GitHub, my account. So let's go and and so these are I have now I'm gonna go in cryptography. So I have three repositories: warning CPU of the last video and hash and web API of the current video. Let's go in hash and check it out. So these are all the things that I have made in the code. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.